following instructional video, Canvas Bytes, is a free program presented in its entirety by the Center for Instruction and Research Technology.
Wow, I have so many students who can't make the next class. I guess I need to record my lecture, but I don't know how.
Do you need to record a lecture? Simplicity and effectiveness are the name of the game, and we at CIRT have the perfect tools for you. Introducing Microsoft's PowerPoint recording tool. Gone are the days of stitching together green screen snippets like a small country weatherman. Now, you can simply attach audio to slides and make an easy to access, affordable lecture just for your students. Now you've got your lecture saved and ready to share with your students. Upload it to your Canvas studio or embed it on Pages. You see how easy and effective it is for you to get your recorded material to your students, making your teaching skills simple and effective.